what's up there, YouTube? Once you guys saw my post on my community page that last night TikTok was banned. And no comments, no nothing, just likes. Not that I'm for sure if I would have liked a like. But also, today, TikTok is up and running. Yes, I'm making my bed. And maybe tomorrow I'll vacuum my floor. Yeah, which is a promise I'll clean my floor. Because that needs to be re-cleaned. And that's just about it. Yep. Yep, just about it. Sharky. Yep. Crazy working butt. That's what I am. Yep. Tomorrow I'll clean my room again. And tomorrow there's going to be a lot of videos uploaded to TikTok. So I'm glad. Yep. Put my backpack up here. Put my coffee mugs back up here. I think I broke something on the floor. Yeah, no, it's my camera charger. $0.53. Thought about if I could put all. Oh, I guess I was wrong. It's a 64 gigabyte memory chip I have. Anyways, that being said, yep. Yay, my phone holder. Yeah, my phone is over there charging. You really clear the shot of everything. My phone, my camera is charging for a tiny bit, so I should find that other earbud. Ow. What the? It's right there, the whole side. Yep. There we go, charge that. Yay, my uploads are complete from my laptop. Yay. Alright. I'm out of here, so peace.